Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Rothys unboxing and I actually have two pairs of shoes today. So let's check it out and see what I ordered. Woo! My first pair says proudly sustainable since day one. And as you have seen in my other videos, Rothys are made from recycled water bottles and they're beautiful. Not the shoes are beautiful, not the water bottles. I finally bought the gray camo sneakers. I have the black sneakers and I love them so much. I wear them all the time. They're so comfortable. So I love the gray camo design. So now I have the gray camo sneakers. The bottom of the box has a little additional information about Rothys. It tells you again that there's no break-in period, which I agree with. They're comfortable directly out of the box. And they're machine washable. So it tells you to just remove the insoles and slip them into the washing machine. So cold water, mild detergent, delicate cycle, and then they can just air dry. So Rothys are, I just love them. They're so comfortable. They are a good cause because they are made from the recycled water bottles and they are cute. The Rothys sneakers, they do have a removable insole. You can see the bottom of the shoe. And here is the sole. And all Rothys have their famous blue at the back. I do have several pairs of Rothys and they are definitely very comfortable. Here's what they look like, the sneaker. And there's different styles that also have the flat, and they also make handbags as well. Before I try these on for you, I have one more package from Rothys. I'm so excited. Here they are. These are the Rothys flip-flops, and these are fairly new. I believe they came out maybe the beginning of this summer. It's kind of the end of the summer now, but I'll wear flip-flops all year long, to be quite honest with you. So definitely wanted to give these a try. They're a little thinner than I imagined, but here's the bottom. You can see that. And then the front. And they do come in a variety of colors, but I chose the blue. And again, these are also sustainable. Like I said, Rothys makes their shoes from recycled water bottles, so you can feel good about your purchase. And if they do not fit, if you don't love them, they're super easy to return. I've always used Happy Returns, and I go to a World Market nearby and give them my shoes, and they go ahead and process it right there and send you the correct size. But these have been, I've got, let's see what size. Oh, I normally wear an 8 in Nikes, but I do wear a 7.5 in the sneakers. But I ordered an 8 in the flip-flops. So let me try them on and see how they fit. Here are the Rothys gray camo sneakers. I already own the sneakers in black, so I know how comfortable they are, and they are comfortable right out of the box. Here are these sneakers. I love the pattern, and I already know how comfortable they are. I actually went hiking in my black pair of Rothys one day, and I wouldn't suggest it, but it wasn't terrible. That's how comfortable they are. So I'm so excited to have another pair of sneakers. I'm actually heading to the grocery store right now, and since these have no break-in, I'm gonna wear them today. Here are my brand new Rothys flip-flops. These are super light. That was the very first thing I noticed about them, was how light these flip-flops are, and super comfortable. And I love the color. These are a size 8, and I wear a size 7.5 in the Rothys sneakers, but I do believe the 8 is perfect size in these flip-flops. And I love them. I'm excited to have another pair of flip-flops to add to my collection. That was my Rothys unboxing for today. I love both of these. I do not have to return either one. They both fit perfect. And I just love Rothys. I will have a coupon code in the description below. So if you want to give Rothys a try, if it's your very first order, I believe it's $20. You can save $20 on your first order with my coupon code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.